Hey guys, right, so this video is a short clip from this week's mock driving test video. The full video, which is quite entertaining as well as educational, like all the videos be, will be uploaded this weekend. The learner has some trouble moving off, mainly to do with the gears. He stalls and then restarts the car, but then doesn't realize it's on. And then he stalls again. It wasn't the best start to a mock driving test. Before we get into the video, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks a lot for the support. Hey guys, so with me today I've got Ken, who I've just picked up from the train station, and he's here for me to assess his driving because he wants to find out whether he's ready for a driving test or not. So tell me a bit about your driving.
Well, I feel like I've put in a little bit of an effort, and I want to see how it goes. How far am I doing? Because I've been with one instructor, that's why. So, and then I said, when I saw your video, I'm like, let me try with another person and see.
Okay. Do you feel ready for a test?
Yeah, I feel.
Can we off when you're ready, please?
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Prepare my car. Sorry. Check again. Let me see. Is it not? Gear 1. I'm sorry. This. Oh, shit. This is 1, this is 2, 3. This is the neutral. You should be able to just start. Okay.
At the end, we're going to be turning left.
Turning left, okay.
Okay, Ken, you're in a third gear. Okay.
Yeah, I'm struggling with you.
Yeah, so what you need to do is, okay, put it into neutral. Instead of going straight to the corner,
Yeah.
push it to the left first. And up. That's it. Okay?
Yeah.
You're putting it into third.
Okay, sorry.